Presenting a pre-owned 2005 Nissan Titan. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 92,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 17 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has never been smoked in, and has had all scheduled maintenance completed. Key features include CD player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, and traction control.